Surprising salad methods that will help you shed more pounds weight. Simple changes for your lifestyle will help you slim down and maintain it. Sure, you are able to slim down rapidly. There are many fad diets to reduce pounds quickly while departing you feeling hungry and deprived. What good is slimming down simply to get back it? To help keep pounds off permanently, it is best to slim down gradually. And lots of experts say it can be done without a weight diet. Rather, the bottom line is making simple tweaks for your lifestyle. Rely on protein. Regardless of whether you choose grilled chicken or salmon, edamame or tofu, or nuts or seeds, you'll release fat and feel more full. Stay with a proper meal to help keep calories under control, a couple of ounces of meat, or perhaps a quarter cup of beans. Throw in lots of other vegetables and fruits. Studies have shown that lots of minerals and vitamins have unique synergistic effects, meaning that they're much more effective when eaten together. So pack your salad with as numerous other veggies or fruits as you possibly can. Carrots, cucumbers, different colored peppers, broccoli, peas, artichokes, bananas, raspberries, or pears are wonderful choices to go into different textures in addition to lots of filling fiber. Skip the croutons. White bread croutons have couple of nutrients along with a high glycemic load, meaning they result in a sharp spike in bloodstream sugar. Rather, suit your longing for crunch with nuts or seeds and various veggies. Still want carbs? I love to add rice or protein-packed quinoa, a proper choice which studies have shown decreases excess fat and overall food intake.